We're thankful because through our partnership with Lions Club, we're able to ensure that aid reached those that were most impacted in a meaningful way. Can you please tell us about the situation there?
For Aceh, Tamyang, we provide like staple foods for 250 families, including also the cleaning materials. And also for Medan, we provide 60 families. But for Sibolga, we did quite different. We provide school supplies, including uniforms, bags, shoes, socks, and stationeries for 300 kids. When I was there, the situation is still in a bad shape. And one of the schools that I visited, the schools are destroyed. So they need to actually have like computer labs, library destroyed. They don't even have the books for study anymore. And I think what we need now is rehabilitation for those schools who are actually in the dire needs, for helps. The SIS community raised 107,350,000 rupiah.
Wow.
Yes, it is quite a bit.
We want to thank our SIS community for such an overwhelming response to help those that were affected by the flood in Sumatra. But it's not yet over. We're opening the donations until the 31st of January to respond to the need for the phase 2 rehabilitation in Sibolga and Sumatra. Yeah, thank you, Vivian.